September 19th, Saturday morning. As usual, I went for buying fish. Have you heard about parrotfish? This is the first time I am seeing this fish. I bought this from the Sagar Fish World, a fish shop near to my apartment, TC Palaya, Bangalore. Thought of just trying, as they said it is very delicious. This is very huge one, around 5.5 kgs. I bought 1 kg from there. Irrespective of religion, most of the people in Kerala eat fish. One reason may be it's closer to freshwater and the sea, where a delicious variety of fishes are abundantly available. I did a Google research, realized that parrotfish plays an important role in our ecosystem. Parrotfish are colorful tropical creatures that spend about 90% of their day eating algae off coral reefs. This almost constant eating performs the essential task of cleaning the reefs, which helps the corals stay healthy and thriving. The parrotfish's digestive system, which includes more teeth inside their throats, break down coral bits into the white sands that make South Pacific beaches famous. Known as bioerosion, this process helps control algae populations and create new surfaces by baby corals to attach to and grow. Scientists estimate that a single fish can pop out more than 900 kilograms of sand each year. They generally live about 5 to 7 years and grow to 1 to 4 feet in length. They typically feed during the day and sleep by wrapping themselves in a safety cocoon made of mucus, or by finding a hiding place in the coral at night. Instead of parrotfish, you can try any other fish. Hope you like the story of parrotfish, watercolor demonstration, and the recipe. After knowing the facts, now on, I will not buy or eat this fish and let the shopkeeper know about the importance and not to get this anymore. Let's protect this species. Thank you for watching.